Hi, I'm Brent Jones, SVP of Operations. Are you looking for a change of pace? Then let's talk about becoming a hub mentor in Caliber's Technician Apprentice Program. You've spent many years honing your craft as a body technician. You know how to get the work done, how to get customers back to the rhythm of their lives, and you have a heart for helping people. As a Top Hub mentor, you'll be using your deep experience rebuilding cars to help someone build a career. You've got a lot to teach, so it will be a full-time job. Read the full job description below, but let me highlight a couple things for you. As a Hub mentor, you'll be paid a consistent hourly rate, not flag hours, based on the production of your 3 to 5 apprentices. You'll work side by side for 10 to 12 months using Caliber's 13-step competency guide and ensuring your apprentice complete their I-CAR classes while getting cars safely back on the road. And also, you'll enjoy reduced physical work because your apprentices will do most of the heavy lifting. Sound good? To become a TAP mentor, you'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 5 years experience as a collision repair technician, be I-CAR Pro Level certified, and up to date on your OE certifications. Of course, you'll also need to have a valid driver's license, be eligible for coverage under Caliber's insurance policy. Just think about your love of cars and your start in the industry. I know when I started 25 years ago, I was placed with a technician and watched other technicians, but there was no consistent process and timeline for my growth and development to keep my career moving forward. There's nothing like the Caliber Technician Apprentice Program out there today. TAP is changing the lives of our apprentice and their families, and you are in the driver's seat. Create a legacy and click the button below to apply today. We can't wait to partner with you.